Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I will be giving you an update of our beheaded succulents and yung mga ginawa nating succulent arrangements na more than 1 month na since naitanim nga natin sila. So I haven't watered them yet. So far, so good naman. Although mapapansin natin na medyo parang lumiit na yung ating mga succulents, that's because hindi pa sila nadiligan, including itong ating arrangement na nilagay sa ating teapot. It's more than 1 month na din, and so we really have to water them since nag-start na silang magkaroon ng roots, and I will be showing that to you later. Since more than 1 month na nga silang hindi nadiligan, what I'm gonna be doing is para sa first na pag-water sa kanila, it should be a full soak. Ayan. So, hindi natin titipidin yung kanilang tubig. Talagang kung pwede lang sanang ilagay sila under the rain right now, I will be doing that. But wala kasing ulan, kaya didiligan ko na lang sila thoroughly. Ayan. So, kasama na rin itong ating arrangement na ito. It's gonna be expected na in 3 days or 4 days time, we can see parang a chubbier leaves kasi sa ngayon talagang nag-shrink sila because of dehydration. Hindi naman super dehydrated sila, but since ang tagal nga na hindi sila nadiligan, medyo lumiit sila ng konti. Ayan, so ito na yung up close nung kanilang mga roots. Diba? Sa pinakailalim kasi, before I watered it, napansin ko na talagang well-rooted na itong ating mga succulents na ito. Look at those. Diba? Very healthy yung ating mga succulents. And remember, all of these are actually cuttings. Stem cuttings lang sila. Kaya lahat na nakikita nating roots are all new. Ayan, bagong-bago sila. And yung ginamit pala nating soil mix here is definitely yung ating organic compost. And hindi lang siya pang highlands. Definitely, you can also use this potting mix sa lowlands. Another update for today is itong mga beheaded succulents natin na nilagay sa individualized pots nila. Look at this, yung ating sedum clavatum, nag-flower na siya. But, syempre, as you can see, hindi lahat are healthy. Kasi I have this sedum na nagkaroon na siya ng powdery mildew, a kind of fungus, and we have to treat it right away. Also for today, I decided na ilagay na sa rain or shine area yung ating mga stem cuttings kasi it's been more than a month na din, kaya talagang kailangan na natin silang sanayin under our rain or shine. And I'm doing this late in the afternoon para hindi naman sila mabiglan na talagang direct sun agad. So here's a quick update of them. So yung iba malalaki na, yung iba maliliit pa din. But that's completely okay kasi magkakasabay naman natin silang binihead and tinanim before. Kaya sa ngayon, I will also be watering them for the first time. So pag malayuan, hindi natin nakikita yung kanilang mga roots. But up close, ayan, makikita ninyo talagang napakadami na nilang roots. Ayan. So this one is our Sedum Comic Tom. We have our Ellen. Yan, nagkaroon na sila ng aerial roots as they are trying to get moisture nga from the air. Ayan. So knowing this na well-rooted na yung ating mga succulents, it's the perfect time to thoroughly water them once again. Ayan o, dehydrated na nga yung iba. It's a sign na they are asking for water. Kaya yun yung gagawin natin for today. Sa pagdidilig sa kanila for the first time, hindi natin titipidin again. It's gonna be a full soak. So, sa pinakaunang dilig, it's expected na medyo mabagal yung pag-drain ng ating tubig kasi it's the first time na masaturate yung kanilang soil. And so, after nga pouring yung ating pinaka-first na tubig, hihintay lang natin na mag-drain sila. So after the first na soak, we will be soaking it again or didiligan ulit natin siya for the second time to make sure na talagang completely nabasa yung kanyang soil. So it's expected na mas mabilis na siyang mag-drain this time around. Ayan, nagbabubbles pa siya which means na hindi pa talaga siya completely soak sa ilalim. And therefore, we have to water it for the third time. Mukha lang siyang matrabahong gawin since I'm doing it parang individually just to show you. Pero in reality, napakabilis lang magdilig nitong ating mga propagations. If you have yung mga shower hose, then that's gonna be faster. Mapapansin ninyo na each time ay parang water them, hindi sila lumulutang yung ating mga succulents, especially yung mga small ones, kasi nga well-rooted na sila sa pinakailalim. Usually kasi pag nagdilig tayo and lumutang sila, it means na hindi pa talaga sila well-rooted. So after watering them, definitely we have to remove itong mga nag-collect na water sa kanilang pinaka-reset. Ayan. So I think we are all done sa ating watering ng ating mga stem cuttings, and in the future they would look like this. So ito yung mga first batch of our stem cuttings and leaf propagations before nagsilakihan na sila, and they are also under our rain or shine area. Ayan. So tomorrow I will be showing to you kung ano yung itsura ng ating mga propagations under full sunlight. Good morning, everyone. So this is the very first time na naka-under full direct sunlight itong ating mga propagation. So if you are located in an area na talagang mataas or malakas yung sikat ng araw, then you might as well provide some shade sa kanila. We are also expecting a thunderstorm this afternoon. Kaya I really hope na umulan kasi mas mabilis talagang lumaki yung ating mga propagations pag nauulanan sila. Ayan. So, that's an up close of our propagations. Mabilis na lang itong lumaki kasi well-rooted na sila, nadiligan na natin sila, and they are receiving yung ating sunlight. Ayan. So, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page, A Desert Succulent PH.